The LPG bottle supplies the interior gas hob, oven and grill, as well as the hot water system and heating system. It's already connected and filled up for you. You will not need to fill this on your return. The LPG bottle is in an external compartment. Unlock the door with the key found on your keyring. To start the flow of gas, twist the knob anti-clockwise all the way, then back a fraction. The needle needs to be in the green zone. Turn off the gas bottles when not in use for safety and before moving the camper. If you have any difficulties with the LPG appliances, check there is LPG in the bottle. You can do this by checking how heavy the bottle is. Refill it if it is running low. You can do this at most service stations. There should be no smell of LPG when the valves are open. In an emergency, turn the LPG off.